Hi, this is Sandy, and I just wanted to share with you today something that's new for me. I've never done colored pencils before, and I've done acrylics, oils, watercolors, a little bit of pencil drawing, but really not anything. But I just love to play with different things. But anyway, I went to a garage sale last year, and this lady that works for a school, she had colored pencils, and she got them at the end of the school year where the teacher just threw them away. Now, all of our students, they have to get school supplies, crayons, colored pencils, glue, whatever. And basically, they all become property of the classroom and they get put into a bin and everybody shares. But at the end of the school year, if they're not given back to the children in some form, just have the kids take a baggie or some lunch bag or something and fill up some supplies with it and take it home, they get thrown away. And these are really nice. These are basically the Crayola colored pencils. And I did find some that are even better than Crayola, which, let me see, this is the Prism color, which I was very tickled to find a white one of all things. But there's different brands, and like I said, I've never really done colored pencils, but my grandchildren, they love that stuff. So I bought them all and brought them home, and the kids have been using them. And my grandson, he said, Nana, will you color with me? So I started to color, and wow, this is so cool. So I go on YouTube and look up, how do you color with colored pencils? So now my dog's gonna bark. But anyway, there was something that struck me to do one of these. And it's a speed, I cannot pronounce it. It's a ball. So I thought, well, that would be easy. But with the lights, whenever I've painted or done anything, your shadows are the furthest from the light. Your light is closest to the light. So you have your lights, you have your shadows. But not on this. The light travels through and your light becomes down here and your shadows are up here. Very strange. So I started working on it. Practice, practice, practice. I don't know how many sheets I've thrown away. These are sheets I've gone back over and fixed and played with over and over again. Now, I went and I bought a book to be able to practice on. And I got this. And the teeth on it, everything is really good. So you're able to put quite a few layers of color on it and blend. And oh, I love it. I also got this eraser. But with this eraser, I'm really not tickled with it. I'll tell you what, this eraser does so much more. So if I mess up, I go to this eraser more than this eraser. But I just wanted to share with you, practice does feel good. Because when I first tried to do this, and I found it easier to just put a medicine bottle on the paper, outline that very lightly, and then start doing your coloring. But I'm enjoying this. I really am. And who knows, maybe I'll do a mandala dot picture when I get good enough. But I still have a long way to go. As you can see, this is what I'm practicing on today. But two things. Whenever you see something and you're curious about it and you think you might like it, practice and practice every day. And do it for a week to 2 weeks. And if you find, well, you know what, I really don't like this, then move on to something else. You will find what you're really looking for. I am enjoying this. And it may take me another week or two before I really, really get it. Maybe I'm just getting old. Maybe I've got attention deficit disorder or something. I don't know. But I'm just having a hard time with it. But I'm getting better. Every day I see an improvement. So that's good. But have fun with stuff. Try new things. You might even amaze yourself. You might be one of those type of people that'll pick up something and run with it and do so well. So, the other thing, when your kids are done with their school year, ask the teacher if there's leftover supplies, you'd like them back, because you can use those at home for your children, or pack them up to send them for the next school season. You have a wonderful day, and thank you very much.